Hello buddy KD. In this video I will teach you what are the things will be there in the kitchen. So what is kitchen? It's a room or an area where food is prepared and cooked, or a room where food is kept, prepared and cooked, and where the dishes are washed. So now let us list out the things which comes under kitchen. U T E N S I L S S H E L F. Utensils shelf. Spoon. Spoon. Refrigerator. Refrigerator. Jug. Jug. Glass. Glass. Cook. Sink. Sink. Frying pan. Frying pan. Gastove. Gas stove. Bowl. Bowl. Peeler. Peeler. Fork. Fork. Knife. Knife. Shredder. Shredder. Butter. Knife. Butter knife. Testainer. Tea stainer. Gascylinder. Gas cylinder. Lighter. Lighter. Tray. Tray. Mixer. Mixer. Rolling. Pin. Rolling pin and base. Matchbox. Matchbox. Pincers. Pincers. Plates. Plates. Oven. S-I-E-V-E. Sive. C-U-P. Cup. S-A-U-C-E-R. Saucer. L-A-D-D-L-E. Ladle. P-R-E-S-S-U-R-E. C-O-O-K-E-R. Pressure cooker.
Like, share and subscribe Buddy Kitty.